Donna Tony Jet 625 Donna. Hello. Today we are going to talk about the camera. So the thing up there, it's, as you can see in our case, it's on the right hand side of the machine, which you would imagine it's a nice design, but it's actually terrible. Because as you can see on the screen, that takes a picture from the right hand side, which means you are looking at that, and that is bottom of the slab. That is the top, which means if you don't pay enough attention, you can cut through air. Because if you're gonna start cutting there, the blade will not even touch the stone. So that is something that is really crucial, that you do any cutting looking from the left, because then the camera is pointing at this sharp end. So you will never get it wrong if you're gonna start cutting from the left. So that is a very good information that obviously none of the Donna Tony providing help is ever tell you. That's something that you need to learn yourself, which now I tell you, and it's even better. The other thing is, very often that flap there, it's opening very slowly. But there is the recipe to get this work much better is to adjust those little, if I can just go there. If you adjust the bits on the left, if you can see, open those valves, and that will make the flap opening a bit quicker. So this is also another crucial thing to get it correct. And obviously those are the two main things that are important about using the camera on this machine, which will help you to get everything correct. Because the whole thing about the flap is, if it's not opening quickly enough, the picture that it's being taken is not sharp, and that's even worse. So that's all for this subject. Please follow my other videos, and I shall see you soon. Thank you. Bye.